Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube training where I share with you the best ways to make money online that are working right now. Today I'm going to show you how you can get in one of the biggest trends in the stock market right now called penny stocks. Whether you like penny stocks or wouldn't touch them yourself, it doesn't matter, because today's method will show you how to make money in this niche without making a single trade or investment. Better yet, I'm going to show you how not only make some quick cash using this method, but I'm going to show you how to generate a full-time income from this method, even if you're a complete beginner. But first, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Do me a favor and hit the subscribe button below, and this will guarantee you that you won't miss out on any of the videos. Definitely hit the like button as well. So, without further ado, we're going to talk about how you can make money with penny stocks without actually placing any trades yourself. Well, we're going to start with a backdoor strategy called affiliate marketing. And if you're new here, we'll talk about how it works. So instead of wholesaling or inventing your own products, you find one that's selling like crazy and you promote that product. And then when someone makes a purchase from that promotion, you get paid a commission. The best part is you don't have to handle shipping, no creation of the product yourself, no customer service or returns. And all you have to do is send traffic to that offer. And when someone makes a purchase, you get paid. Oh, and then one more thing, you don't even have to have a website to make this work. So let's talk about how that's done in the penny stock niche. First, we're going to find a product or offer to promote. For this example, we're going to use a website called Profitly, which has loads of products and subscription services where people can learn how to trade penny stocks and even get daily alerts from the experts so you can copy and paste their trades. Right now, Profitly is offering a 30% recurring commission on all of their subscriptions. That means if you get 100 people to sign up, then every month they renew their subscription. You get paid for every one of them without having to sell anything new. That's the power of recurring commissions, and that's why I love promoting products that have them. Next, you're going to build an affiliate funnel. I use a software, as you may know, called ClickFunnels, which allows me to quickly build these affiliate funnels. Here's a quick breakdown of how affiliate funnels typically work. Now, there's normally two parts. First, there's a landing page where you can invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift that you either create or find. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is important later on. But for now, this is just where you need to get an email list. Now, this free gift could be anything from a PDF guide, a video training, or even a case study. And again, you don't have to be an expert or even create this yourself. You can go to a website called Fiverr and have someone else put this together, or a link to a YouTube video that you found to be helpful. In fact, for this funnel, we're going to use a case study from the creator's YouTube channel. Also, this is going to be what we're going to talk next is the landing page. Now, you're going to build a thank you page, which gives them the case study, but also includes a place to put your affiliate link so that when someone clicks on that button and makes a purchase, you can get a sale that quickly. So here's an example of a sales funnel you could promote this offer. So the first thing we have is called an opt-in page. It simply promotes the free case study about making money online by trading stocks. And as you can see, the focus is on collecting the email address. Next, we have the thank you page. The first thing this page does is provides that free case study that we promised. And as I mentioned before, this is from the YouTuber who specializes in making these kind of trading stocks. The second part of the thank you page is offering Profitly. It's a call to action and it's simple yet powerful. And it says, take my investing to the next level. What stock trader doesn't want to do that? So now you have an offer, you have affiliate funnel built. It's time to move to the next step, which is your follow up with email. This is super important, especially in the investing niche. Let's say I'm a visitor and I opt into your email list, but don't end up signing up for the trading platform. Maybe I'm just not in the frame of mind right now. It's possible I found your ad while doing a million other things, and I'm not really thinking about investing at this exact moment. In a niche like this, you really need some training and information to be successful. With email, you can provide helpful tutorials and information that will teach people how to trade stocks. Again, you don't need to be an expert. Your emails could be compilations of blog articles and YouTube videos that you find. As long as you give the proper credit, this is a powerful strategy. One of the best ways to succeed as an affiliate marketer is to have multiple products that you're promoting. If you can only make money from one product, you're probably going to fail. But if you can make money from multiple products, you have a much higher chance of succeeding. And this makes sense. There's no company out there that just sells one product. As an affiliate marketer, though, it's tempting to think you can build an entire business around promoting just one product. And this puts a cap on how much you can make, limiting your level of success. Now, this is the reason why I joined the Partner with Anthony program, which I've linked in the description. The PWA program is designed for beginners, those who are brand new to this whole affiliate marketing thing. And the PWA program offers you the opportunity to partner with Anthony Morrison, who has a proven track record in the affiliate marketing space. The first part of the program is all about email marketing, then building your email list and creating sales funnels like the one I showed you earlier. Then you're actually given the access to promote the Partner with Anthony program along with other digital products. The cool thing is that because you first purchased PWA, you get the commission for those purchases. This makes it a partnership because Anthony is the one teaching and selling, you're the one collecting the commissions. This truly is the value of an ecosystem where it's an actual true partnership. So if you want to start in the new age of affiliate marketing, then you'll want to click on the link below in the description section, which will get you started with the Partner with Anthony program. This gives you the opportunities to generate multiple commissions and recurring revenue, all while building your email list. Now, after you've clicked that link, make sure that you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.